The first Startup Turkey event that I attended was back in 2013. Each year, Burak has been adding to the quality of the startups that present, to the level of the attendees that present, to the different geographies that are represented at the event. So we're very, very happy to be here as well. I met with a few startups, but we're actually focusing on our existing portfolio right now. We've invested, as I said, in over 40 companies. So since we're working more with our existing startups, we're going to be very selective in our new investments. However, there are some excellent opportunities, and we'll be catching up with those folks in Istanbul as well. We invest in two geographies. The first one is Turkey, the second one is the US. The key difference, we believe, is in the level of capital that's available in those markets. There's a lot of capital available in the US, there's less capital available in Turkey, and as a result, the challenges in each market are different. So because there's a lot of capital available in the US, what the challenge turns into there is getting into the good startups. There's a lot of competition for the deals, so it's a challenge to get into the good companies that you want to get into. The challenge in a more capital scarce environment like Turkey, of course, is that it's difficult to get follow-on funding after you've initially invested in a company. So there was a recent report from Startups Watch, Serkan Ünsal's recent business, and that provides some data on the funding environment in Turkey, and especially at the late stage, there is a constraint of capital there, and that's something that hopefully we'll be able to work towards to solve in the future. I think that three things are important. You have to really be genuine. You have to be authentic. You have to really believe in what you're doing. That's the first thing. The second thing is that you have to care about what you're doing, and that's something a bit different. It ensures that you look into the details of what you're doing. You do everything to the best of your ability. And the third part is you have to be somebody who gets things done. You're in an environment where there's a lot of competition, and executing fast is something that allows you to outperform that competition, so you have to have an attitude that gets things done.